Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to embed Google Sheet in Confluence. First, go to the Google Sheet that you want to embed. Then from here, click on the Share button at the top right corner. Now, just go ahead and copy the link of it. You can also change its general access so you will be able to edit it or just be a viewer. Once done, go to your Confluence account. Once inside the dashboard, on the left panel, select on the space that you want to navigate. Here, you will see its contents. So just go to a page or the content where you want to embed your Google Sheet. After that, just go ahead and paste in the link that you copied. From here, click on the link. Then, from the display options, click on this drop-down menu and then select on Embed. And there you have it. Your Google Sheet will now be displayed to your Confluence. In here, you can also go ahead and edit your sheet. And that's just basically it. That's how you embed Google Sheet to Confluence. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.